Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a perfect circle that passes through all three corners of any triangle. This process involves finding a special point called the circumcenter, which is equally distant from each vertex. Our main objective is to locate one specific point inside or outside a triangle that has the exact same distance to vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. This point will become the center of our circle. To find that special point, we need a tool called the perpendicular bisector. This is a straight line that cuts another line segment in half at a 90-degree angle. The most important property for us is that any point you pick on the perpendicular bisector is the same distance from both endpoints of the original segment. Let's begin the construction. First, we select one side of our triangle. It doesn't matter which one you choose. We then construct the perpendicular bisector for that chosen side. Next, we select a second side of the triangle. Just like before, we construct the perpendicular bisector for this side. You will notice that this new line crosses the first one we drew. The point where these two lines intersect is the solution to our problem. This intersection point is called the circumcenter. It's the unique point we've been looking for. So why is this the correct point? Because the circumcenter lies on the first bisector, it is equidistant from the first two vertices. And because it also lies on the second bisector, it's equidistant from the second and third vertices. Therefore, it must be equidistant from all three. Now for the final result. Place your compass point on the circumcenter, set its width to any of the triangle's vertices, and draw the circle. This is the circumscribed circle, or circumcircle, and it will perfectly touch all 3 points. Let's quickly review the process. 1. Pick any two sides. 2. Construct their perpendicular bisectors. 3. Find the intersection point, which is the circumcenter. And 4. Draw your circle using the circumcenter and the distance to any vertex as the radius. And that's it. You now have the skill to find the equidistant center of any triangle and draw a circumscribed circle around it. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.